Everybody, welcome to my new update video. Here is given that x plus y is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 5. We have to find out the value of x and y. Let's go start. Before start my video, I requested you to subscribe my channel and remain with me first to last to understand this math step by step. Okay, from the equation 2 we can write here x y is equal to 5. Okay, then we can write x is equal to 5 by y. Thus equation here we can write equation 1 and equation 2, and from equation 2 this is equation 3. Okay, putting this value equation 1, from equation 1 we can write x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, putting this value 5 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. Okay friends, then simplifying this equation we can write 5 plus y square by y is equal to 5. Then multiplying the both sides by y we can write here is 5 plus y square is equal to 5y. Rearranging this equation and 5y transfer from right side to left side, we can write y square minus 5y plus 5y is equal to 0. Then we can write by quadratic equation here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to 5. So we can write x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a is equal to minus and minus 5 plus minus root over minus 5 all square minus 4 into a means 1 and c means 5. Okay, by 2 into 1. Then we can write 5 plus minus root over 25 plus 25 minus 20 by 2. Okay, is equal to 5 plus minus root over 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2. Here we can write here x1 is equal to 5 plus root 5 by 2 and x2 is equal to 5 minus root 5 by 2. Okay, y is equal to 5 minus x, for x1 is equal to 5 plus root 5 by 2. y1 is equal to 5 minus 5 plus root 5 by 2. Okay, then we can write here by LCM is equal to 2. Here is 10 minus 5, minus and minus is plus is equal to minus. Okay, then we can write here y1 is equal to 5 minus root 5 by 2, and for x2 is equal to 5 minus root 5, y2 is equal to 5 minus root 5 by 2 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus root 5 by 2. Okay, here is can write plus 5 plus root 5 by 2. Okay, so x1 and y1 is equal to for x1 is 5 plus root 5 by 2 and 5 minus root 5 by 2. Okay, and x2 y2 is equal to 5 minus root 5 by 2 and 5 plus root 5 by 2. Now for check this is x plus y অর্থাৎ for means y plus root 5 by 2 plus 5 plus root 5 by 2 is equal to 5. Okay, by LCM is equal to 2 and 5 minus root 5 plus 5 plus root 5 here is cancelled, so here is 10 by 2 is equal to 5, here is 5, so 5 is equal to 5. Okay, so the final solution again we check for this final solution of this. Okay, please if you have any problem please subscribe my channel to get new update video. Okay, thank you.